If you find yourself struggling with calming your thoughts and experiencing even more weight in the night than during the day, pause, take a moment, and allow this prayer to wash over you. Jesus, tonight my mind is consumed with racing thoughts, and my heart leans more toward unease. I offer you my worries, my fears, and every anxious thought lurking around. Gently embrace me in the goodness of your peace, like a warm and tender blanket. Heal my heart and purify my spirit so that I may find comfort and rest in you, my rock and my refuge. You are my stable, my sanctuary, my shepherd. Amen.